Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. Today we've got another military kit. This one here is one I was looking forward to. Obviously it's the Maverick F-14A Tomcat from the movie Top Gun, which is the reason I really enjoyed this particular plane. This is 1/48 scale from Revell, level 4. It's got 97 parts. Let's look at the box. Characteristics, features, paint tips. This kit is from 2020. Oh, there's a side view there, sorry. And this side. Box is a little awkward to work with. Alright, and on the back we've got just the info about your different skill levels. Let's go ahead and tear this open. I've already removed the plastic just to make it easier and less crunchy, noisy. I'll go ahead and put this right here. See, ready? We've got that thing. Wow, look at that. Alright, well, first off we've got the canopy, it looks like. Yep. I'll leave it in there to protect it. And we have, geez, okay, one giant bag of parts and one little one. Let's see what's in this one. I'm sorry guys, I don't know a lot about, in fact I don't know anything about fighter jets and planes and all that stuff, the military stuff. This is my third military type kit. I just seen it and I liked it, so I figured I'd pick it up. Don't know exactly when I'll get around to building it, but I'll have a good time doing it. I'll go ahead and open this one. Hope you guys are all doing well today. It's snowing here where I'm at, and I'm tired of it. Alright. Well, obviously these are wings. Whether they're the, I don't know if you can see it in the picture here, whether it's the actual wings or these parts back here, I couldn't tell you, although it may be all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's all of them. Okay. And I don't know if they're halves. Or, yeah, maybe they are. That's one half of it. Well, maybe not. Huh. Unless oh, the other ones are attached to here, so they come already attached. So this and I guess one of these and one of these each make these wings here, and then these two are right here. Yep. That's what it is. Very neat. Got the turbines, it looks like, for the engines. I'll set this one right here. Some missiles. I almost said torpedoes. Of course, we know this submarine stuff. Pretty neat. Like I said, I'm sorry I don't understand a lot of it, but I'm going to learn just because I think it's neat. This is really cool. This is approximately the size of it, I guess. It's wow, it's over a foot long, and it was 1/48 scale. Oh, here's a little dude. I guess that's Maverick. I don't know if you can see him. He's only got one arm missing. Alright. And this is the bottom. I'm sure there's a name for it. I'll call it the bottom. The underneath part. Can't really call it a chassis. If that's what it is, that's what it is. I don't know. Alrighty. And we've got instructions. A couple pages it feels like here. There's some decals. Set that aside. Tips on coloring, painting, what's in the box, parts, other stuff, little dude. Oh, there's not much wording on here at all. This almost looks like something out of Star Wars. There's your landing gear. Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see the tires. Well, F. Oh, they must be plastic. But you're gonna paint them, I guess. All right. I guess I'm spoiled by automotive models coming with vinyl or rubber tires, you know. And there's a neat shot. And there's the bottom and the top. Very cool. Alrighty, moving right along. Here's the decals, or decals as they say in Canada. Can't read what it says, but there's tiny print. Lieutenant Pete Mitchell, Maverick, Nick Bradshaw, Goose. Pretty cool. Apparently this must be after Goose was shot out of the canopy and died, because there's only one person in the kit. That's kind of funny. Alright. Nice little gauge package. Pretty cool. Alrighty. Just thought I'd share my excitement with you guys. I really enjoy the heck out of model car building. And I'm having a blast. I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. Have a great day. And we'll see you on the next one. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And most of all, have a good time building. Alright guys. See you on the next one.